fluid, keeping in a case. Sometimes checks once the thing you get into the thing is, he's the suspected respectable businessman and father of the antique revolvers. And they come from these, they wanted to keep it proper for the extinction value, basically. This investigation was a result of a NABIS, National Ballistics Intelligence Service, identifying a trend in the use of 19th century military revolvers and ammunition that was specifically made to fit those revolvers that were turning up at crime scenes, specifically in the West Midlands, but further afield across the country. As a result of an operation run by the West Midlands Police in 2014, where we identified Nozakir Stevenson and a Sundish Nazran in Birmingham that were supplying weapons and ammunition, we realised they were supplying ammunition and weapons that had come through Paul Edmonds and Mahinder Sardar, and our inquiries from that operation led straight to the door of Mahinder Sardar and eventually Paul Edmonds as the ultimate source of these guns and ammunition. Okay, in this operation we have linked 107 crime scenes, mainly in the West Midlands, but again across the UK, where guns and ammunition that have been linked back to Paul Edmonds and Mahinder Sardar have been used at various crime scenes, including murders.
Off the streets?
It's one of the largest supplies of guns and ammunition to criminals that's been discovered in the UK, yes. Well, Paul Edmonds was a registered firearms dealer. He had over 40 years' experience in the trade, and he, in his own admission, was an ammunition freak. And he used that knowledge and skills to manufacture obsolete caliber ammunition that was no longer available, that could be used in antique revolvers. And he was supplying that directly and unlawfully to Mahinder Sardar, that he was supplying it straight onto the streets of Birmingham. Further to that, Paul Edmonds used his detailed knowledge of the import system of guns into the UK, and he illegally imported weapons that he was falsely describing as antiques into the UK when in fact they were prohibited handguns. These weapons again were being supplied on demand to Mahinder Sardar in Birmingham and straight onto the streets and to criminals.